not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm super excited about this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video is an exciting one. It is a hair video, but it's a little different. Well, the work is already done for us. Like, I am so excited. This video is in collaboration with Curlyme hair, and my makeup is done. Everything is already together. That's how you know this is going to be a really easy and convenient wig. So this wig is their new arrival wig. It is a updated 3D dome cap without any combs. I'm super excited about that. The lace is already pre-cut and pre-plucked. It is HD lace, imagine that. And this is a 4x4 closure wig, and I did get it in 30 inches. I'm super excited because I don't like doing a lot of work. Like, if I don't have to and I can slay without doing too much, I'm going to do it, okay? So this is the packaging. It looks super cute, like a gift. Like, it's so cute. Loved it. And of course we have our wig here. So these are the lashes that come in. It also has a elastic band which you use to, lay your edges. They did send wig caps, which is good, and also a pamphlet, I guess, to how to care your hair. But I'm already wearing a wig cap, so we won't use these. I'm gonna put these to the side, and then we're gonna get to the hair. So this is the hair, and already I can tell it's a vibe. It feels so good. And this is her straight out of the packaging. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Fire. The lace looks really good. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Wow. Feathery. I love the way how the hair is just like really feathery. This is what she is looking like up close. I think the lace looks really good. It's definitely pre-plucked, like wow. And I love the fact that it's already cut, because honestly, sometimes I cut the lace off my wig and I tend to mess it up. But I know how to finesse, so I'll be finessing it. And this is the inside of the wig. There are no combs. Usually I cut the combs out of my wigs anyways. But look at how nice the inside is. And then there is a strap that you can tighten to adhere the wig to your head. But I'm super, super excited about her. So I did tighten my straps a little bit, and I'm just gonna get into my wig. I'm so excited. The hair feels so good, y'all. Like, so good. Wait, what? Hold on, guys. Do y'all see this? Hold on, hold on, hold on. This fits so good. Do you see that lace? Like, what lace? Hold on. I am seeing my wig cap underneath, but I'm going to go in with some lace tint that's in my complexion to bring it more to match me. But do y'all see this? Like, what? And I didn't do anything to it. Like, what? I'm gonna spray my lace tint on the lace so it matches my complexion to the T. And then I'm literally just gonna use my hot comb in the parting. And I don't know, she's still so straight. I'm barely going to even run anything through it, but this hair feels bomb. Like, whoa, what? And there's no combs in it. It's just a band that holds the wig onto your hair. And it's actually, it's very secure. Yeah, it's very secure. That's crazy. It's very secure without the combs. I'm going to use my hot comb and just like flatten it out at the top just a little bit more. It's so flat already though, like it's so flat. and I'm going to just like, you know, straighten my part a little bit, and that's pretty much it. This is such a bomb wig. Guys, I'm adding some like wax stick only to the top. Bro, usually I have to go in and really like hot comb my hair. This is the hair without hot combing it. Like, this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm just gonna like flatten it. I don't see how much more flat I can get it because it came like this. Like, they did not play with this wig. If you don't know how to do hair and you want to slay, like, this is the wig for you. Like, oh my goodness.
Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance. Make it work, strike a pose. Do your dance, girl. Dance, girl. Do your dance, girl. Dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coop size and here's the bands, girl. She a 10 or better, tell her strike a pose. She don't switch positions and she plays the role. Hit up the salon, she gets the nails and toes. Hair done, neck, wrist, hands froze. She pull up, hop up.
Y'all, I'm in love. This hair is so sleek. It's giving Barbie. It's just giving such a vibe. And what I love is this is the hair like directly out of the packaging. Who knew you could have a wig that you didn't have to do anything? I didn't have to cut any lace. I didn't have to do anything, matter of fact. And I promise you, even if I didn't like add wax and stuff to it, I could still get away with it. Like, this hair is perfect for a beginner. This hair is also perfect for my girls that don't want to do all that excess to get such a laid and slayed look. It is 30 inches. It is 180 density, which I love. It flows so nice. The hair feels amazing. The wig on my head doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel restrictive. And guess what? I can just pop this off as soon as I'm done. There's no glues. There's nothing under there. Like, do y'all see this? Do y'all see the inches? Do y'all see this? Wow, such a vibe. Let me know your thoughts down below, guys. I don't usually recommend like a unit, but baby, this is worth it. This is worth whatever price tag it has. The hair is amazing. It feels amazing. It flows beautifully. The closure lays flat, 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 okay? Because with straight hair, you have to be really careful, and the closure lays slow, so flat. Everything about this wig is just beautiful. Definitely recommend this unit, definitely. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you like this hair, then definitely click the description box. There will be a link directly to this hair. Shout outs to Curlyme for this bomb unit, okay? This is my new, I'm her wig. This is my new everyday wig, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.